Today I'm gonna cook a little lunch for my friend, and it's a poor man's type food. It's called Polish noodles or Hungarian noodles with cottage cheese, butter. So I'm gonna do that today. All right, so we have to melt the butter, and when the butter melts totally, we can add the onions and then the noodles and get it prepared. So let's melt the butter. I got the butter going. It looks really interesting over here. So we got browning starting to occur. So we want to put in the onions and let this get these things all browned up and make it look good. Yeah, that's what we want to do. This is gonna brown these onions, and then we're gonna add some noodles to it. This smells magnificent. I mean, I don't know what it is in my blood. It's the Polish in me, but butter, bread, butter and noodles, this is awesome. All right, so I previously boiled some noodles, so we're gonna stick these in there and we're gonna cook these up and brown them just like those onions. Gonna brown these noodles. Get that butter soaked in them noodles. And if you have to add more butter, then you can add it. If you think that the noodles are soaking up too much of the butter. All right, so let's dish this food out. Let's get this on that plate. And my guinea pig is gonna eat this. Ooh, that looks great. Look at those onions. Yeah, you wanna put a good amount on there. Make a little heap like that. That looks great. All right, so now we have our cottage cheese. Doesn't matter what brand you choose. I just chose the one at the store. And you take some of that cottage cheese and you put it right in the center, just like that. Yeah. Now that looks really good. That looks really delicious. Just like that. All right, so we've got some cottage cheese. Then we can put a little cilantro if you want. Makes a nice color. Or if you want to put basil, it's up to you. Or you can also, I like to put parsley. This is parsley. I like to put parsley on there. It looks really fantastic looking. Look at that. And then you add a little bit of pepper, black pepper. You can pepper around the sides. A lot of people will salt it. I don't salt it because I have high blood pressure. So I'm not gonna salt it. My guinea pig's gonna be here any minute and I'm gonna watch her eat this food. Wow, that looks delicious. All right, so my pal came over.
Hello.
Hello. All right, you're gonna try this meal. It's, I don't know what you call it. I just call it cottage cheese noodles and butter. Go ahead and have a bite of it. And
all right.
This is your lunch. She came over for her lunch break, which is really nice.
Okay, I'm gonna have a little bit here.
Yeah. It looks good.
It looks amazing.
Fantastic.
These onions look very well browned.
They're
sauteed.
caramelized, and the butter is
excellent.
just caramelized deliciously.
Oh, I love butter. Let me try this.
Try not to eat your hair. You know? Oh, you got a visitor. Look at that. I didn't know we had visitors here.
Hello, would you like some?
Of course she does.
This is actually quite good.
So what do you think this is called? I mean, what would you call it?
Probably cottage cheese, noodles, and butter.
Or a poor man's food.
AKA
We'll
food.
call it poor man's food.
Poor man's food
poor
is
cat
great.
food.
Well, I think she'd like some. But I'm not going to give her any because I'm selfish.
Yeah, and I had mine already. I ate the same amount as she did, and it was great.
The onions are sweet.
Sweet onions,
Very, very good.
especially when you cook them. And you have your book that you brought.
Oh, right. I'm reading Guam
Guam.
by MSK Shavant.
Awesome.
And it's an excellent read.
Great. Did you cry?
At one point I did.
Okay. All right, I'm going to let you eat. And
I will eat all of this.
so you just ate the meal, my lunch, the Polish noodles. What'd you think of it?
I thought it was superb.
And would you eat it again?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely would I eat it again.
Great. That's what I like. People that like my food when I cook it.
Yeah.
And I'm not exactly a real chef.
Yeah, but it was cooked to perfection as far as I'm
Oh,
concerned.
I like
It
to
was
hear
excellent.
that. Like to hear it.
Excellent.
All
And,
right.
and definitely a form of comfort food. I just loved it.
All right. So you're headed back to work. So I'm going to see you later on.
Yes,
And
yes.
tomorrow you're going to try the lazy pierogi.
I will.
And we'll stay tuned on that one.
Okay, I'm excited. Can't
All right.
wait for the lazy pierogi.
Awesome.
All right.
Ciao.
Thank you. That's what I said.
Did you want to say anything? Freckles, you want to say anything?
Would you like some food?
Of course you would. All right, so thank you all for seeing this video. I don't usually do food type of shows, but this particular show I wanted to do one of my favorite meals that we had when we were children. I don't know if there's actually a name to this meal. It just was great. It was a poor man's food, we called it. So I hope you enjoy the meal, and please subscribe or check back with my other shows and take a look at them. Thank you.